Morning dear student, welcome again in Sanskar Science Academy online classes. So dear students, in last class I told you about fertilization or sexual reproduction in plant. Actually I told you that sexual reproduction and events of sexual reproduction are categorized or divided into three parts: before fertilization, second fertilization, and third after fertilization. I repeat: before fertilization events, fertilization events, and after fertilization event. In before fertilization, formation of gamete, and second transfers of gamete. Okay, this point is clear. And next point, transfer of gamete. After the formation of pollen grain, it is female reproductive organ which is called pistil or carpel. This basal part is known as ovary. It is a style, and this one is stigma. Male reproductive organ, stamen. This part is known as filament, and it is anther. Actually, pollen grains develops in the anther or anther lobe or microsporangium. After the maturation of anther undergoes into breast condition and release the pollen grain on the stigma. This process is known as pollination. So what is pollination? So your answer is transfer of pollen grain on the stigma from the mature anther. This process is known as pollination, and pollination process is divided into two parts: self-pollination and cross-pollination. So pollination is of two types. One is self-pollination and second is cross-pollination. Cross-pollination by air, by water, by different animals, by bat and other birds. Okay, after the pollination pollen grain germinated on the stigma. Especially in pollen grain, two types of cells are present. One is big, which is known as vegetative cell, and second is germ cell. So pollen grain has two types of cell. Big cell is known as vegetative cell and a small cell is known as germ cell. Both cells are haploid. During the germination of pollen grain, vegetative cell produce a long tube-like structure which is known as pollen tube. Okay, so pollen tube develops from the vegetative cell. Now second, germ cell undergoes into mitotic division or mitosis and formed two male gametes. So here is two male gametes. In ovary, ovule is present. It is ovule, and in ovule, embryo sac is also present, and it is egg cell which act as a female gamete. Pollen tube enter into the ovule by this part. This part is known as micropyle. So pollen tube enter into the ovule by the micropyle and breast and release the two male gametes. Now first point is formation of gametes, second transfer of gamete. It is clear. Now third point or main second point is fertilization. Simply, what is fertilization? So simple, you can say fusion of haploid male and female gamete. I repeat, fusion of haploid male and female gamete is called fertilization. Is that clear? Fertilization is also known as fusion of gamete. So what is fertilization? Then your answer is fusion of haploid male and female gamete, and after the fertilization diploid zygote is formed. Why it is diploid? Because male gamete haploid and female gamete is also haploid. After the fusion of male and female gamete, zygote is formed. Zygote is a unicellular and diploid structure. So what is zygote? Zygote is a result of fertilization or fusion, and it is unicellular and diploid structure and develop the embryo. Okay, so embryo develops from the zygote. Next, in some time, in the rare cases, embryo formed without fertilization, यानी embryo fertilization के बिना भी बन जाता है. So formation of embryo without a fertilization process is called as parthenogenesis. So what is parthenogenesis? So your answer is formation of embryo without fertilization is called parthenogenesis. And another term which is similar to parthenogenesis, which is parthenocarpy. What is parthenocarpy? Formation of fruit without fertilization is called parthenocarpy. So what is difference between parthenogenesis and parthenocarpy? So your answer is formation of embryo without fertilization is called parthenogenesis, and formation of fruit without fertilization is called parthenocarpy. And fruits which are developed from parthenocarpy process This type of fruits are seed